Have you ever watched FPV footage and thought, how are they making it look so fast and immersive? Well, DJI's newest FPV upgrade might be the reason. Instead of chasing a bigger sensor or higher resolution, DJI focused on something that completely changes how your flights look: a much wider field of view. The new DJI O4 wide air unit keeps almost everything people liked about the original, but adds one feature that could make a huge difference for FPV pilots. So let's have a closer look at it. Before we get into the new features, it's worth clearing up one thing. The DJI O4 wide air unit isn't a drone. It's a compact camera and digital video transmission system that builders install on custom FPV drones. Think of it as the eyes of your drone. It captures video, sends a live HD feed to your DJI FPV goggles, and records high-quality footage directly onto a micro SD card while you fly. The original O4 Air unit arrived earlier with DJI's latest O4 digital transmission technology and quickly became popular because it was incredibly light. Now DJI is expanding that lineup with the O4 wide air unit, giving pilots another option without changing the entire platform. This version is designed mainly for lightweight FPV builds, especially 2-inch and smaller drones where every gram still matters, but where pilots also want a more immersive flying experience. The headline feature is simple, but important. The standard O4 Air unit offers a 117.6-degree field of view. The new wide version increases that all the way to 159 degrees. That may sound like just another specification, but in real flights it changes how everything feels. With a wider lens, you see much more of the environment around you. Trees appear larger, indoor spaces feel more open, and close proximity flights become much more dramatic. Even everyday freestyle moves can look faster simply because more of the world fits into every frame. If you're someone who enjoys cinematic FPV shots or flying through tight gaps, this wider perspective makes the footage feel far more immersive without needing a heavier action camera mounted on top. Of course, there is the typical ultra-wide look, so objects near the edges can appear more stretched compared to a standard lens. Some pilots love that feeling, while others may still prefer the narrower perspective. The nice part is the DJI didn't sacrifice performance just to make the lens wider. The O4 wide air unit still uses the same 1/2-inch image sensor found in the standard model, and records crisp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. For the live video feed, DJI's O4 transmission system delivers 1080p video at up to 100 frames per second using H.265 compression, giving pilots a smooth and responsive view while flying. Under FCC conditions, transmission range reaches as far as 10 kilometers, although real-world distance will depend on local regulations and your flying environment. DJI has also continued improving the experience for racing pilots. The O4 Air unit lineup includes a dedicated racing mode, capable of reducing latency to as low as 15 milliseconds under supported setups. The new wide model itself delivers latency as low as 20 milliseconds, which is still fast enough for aggressive freestyle flying and competitive racing. The O4 wide air unit doesn't replace the existing models. Instead, DJI now offers 3 different choices depending on what matters most to you. The standard O4 Air unit remains the lightest option, weighing only 8.2 grams. If you're building an extremely lightweight drone, that's still the obvious pick. On the other end is the O4 Air Unit Pro. That version targets creators who care most about image quality. It comes with a larger 1.3-inch sensor, supports 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, uses a dual antenna design, and can reach transmission distances of up to 15 kilometers under FCC standards. The new wide version fits right in the middle. It weighs around 13 grams with the camera, keeps the same core imaging performance as the standard model, but gives you that huge 159-degree field of view. So really, DJI has made the decision pretty simple. If your priority is minimum weight, choose the standard model. If you want the best image quality, go with the Pro. And if your goal is to make every flight feel bigger and more immersive, the wide version is clearly built for you. One thing I like about this release is that DJI didn't force users into a completely new ecosystem. The O4 Wide Air unit works with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers, so existing users can upgrade without replacing all of their equipment. It's also interesting to see DJI improve the flying experience through a wider perspective instead of simply chasing more megapixels or higher frame rates. For FPV pilots, how a flight feels is often just as important as image quality, and that's exactly where this new Air unit focuses. So if you've been wishing your tiny FPV drone could capture more of the world without carrying extra weight, the DJI O4 Wide Air unit might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Would you choose the lightest setup, the highest image quality, or that huge 159-degree field of view? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.